Hey, how are you? My name is Jonathan. I am with Rene Munoz Plastering, and today we're in beautiful Langhorne, PA. Today we finalized this project where we did the painting over the stucco, and we also paint the aluminum siding. But I want to do a walkthrough so you can take a look to all of the improvements that we did, starting with the paint, like I said. We also did a new fascia and gutters, as you can tell over here. But this project started because the stucco was leaking at the front of the house. The original stucco was failing and the customer was purchasing this property. So they sent me the inspection report, and through the inspection report we knew that we had some damage down there. And the reason why we had a damage down there is because, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a piece of metal which is called drip cap. Originally the house didn't have that piece of drip cap, and all of the water was pretty much leaking behind the board and not over like it should and like it's doing right now. As you can tell, we decided to go with ASAC all around and all of the perimeter because we think that it's a better product because it's water resistant, it's pressure resistant, it's pretty much waterproof, and it's made out of PVC. And it also looks very beautiful with this kind of finishes, which is in this case James Hardie from color is Arctic White. Other thing that we did is that the customer, instead of the battens, decided to go with 6-inch trim to make the house looks cleaner because of the small print of the gables. The house to me looks beautiful the way it is. We also custom built a 7x7 post out of red cedar, and everything that was brown originally was changed to white. Soffit, fascia. We also installed a new attic vent because the one that they had was very old and very outdated. We paint all of that, all of the accents in white. And yeah, this pretty much completes all of this project. That part over there was also having issues because same thing, they had some trims the same way we have it right now, but they didn't have the proper waterproofing. They were also having a water issue there with a kick-off flashing diverter missing, and now they do have a kick-off flashing diverter missing. And this property not only looks beautiful, it also works as it should. Behind our siding, we do have Benjamin Upkite waterproofing membrane, which I think is a better waterproofing because it actually has a gap. It creates a gap between the siding and the framing. So that's the reason why we like to go with that water resistant barrier, which is called HydroGap. Highly recommended. I think that is a better system, better product. Whenever we do something, whether it is a stucco, whether it is a stone, whether it is siding, we always try to make sure that the house is gonna drain, the water is gonna drain. We are a water management company. We're not a stucco company, a siding company. We are more like a water management company. We need to make sure that we divert the water away from the house. We start from the top and then make our way down. We start with the top, with the fascia, with the gutters, but as you can tell, we have all kind of flashings wherever are needed. We got flashings there, we got flashing there, we got flashing over the drip, over the windows. Those trims, they do have an overhang of 1 inch on this trim, and we also have an overhang of 1 inch of that trim to make sure that all of the water that is coming from upstairs, it will go over the drip cap, over the trim, and then run out. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much what we did. Over here on this side, we also paint this gable, install new fascia, new gutters. We also paint the stucco over here, the same color, Arctic White. We custom match it from Sherwin-Williams, a paint called Rain Guard, which is a better product. It's a self-cleaning paint. It's top of the line paint from Sherwin-Williams pretty much, because it's supposed to be self-cleaning. Every time it rains, it's supposed to clean by itself. So yeah, this is what we did. All of the stucco over here was painted as well, and all of the siding over here was painted. The chimney was also painted. You see, we have a new gutters. We reinstalled those lights for the customer, and yeah, everything is. This project, the customer is happy. We're happy with the end results as well, and yeah, it looks beautiful. So yeah, this has been Jonathan with Rene Munoz Plastering. If you have any stucco issues, any stone issues, any siding issues, Feel free to call us to 610-656-2461 or log on to our website at www.muñozplastering.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.